How to change your Garmin S70 watch face. The first step is to simply head into your settings menu. So go into settings of the watch, head into settings, and then once you're there, select watch face. So you should see an option for watch face. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and browse the available watch faces. You may find some that you find attractive. And once you've made your selection, all you need to do is simply tap on the watch face and simply tap apply. That should apply the watch face to your screen. All right, and you can also customize the colors and the data field as much as you want by simply customizing the layout. You get to customize colors and data fields. All right, so once the customization is done, this is how you can go about it. Just simply press on the highlighted areas and then simply customize. And once you're done, you can also download more watch faces by simply heading into the IQ store. And once you're on the IQ store, you can easily download extra customizable watch faces. All right, guys, that's how it's done.